Today we will be upgrading the ProLiant Compute DL360 Gen12 server using NEMIX RAM server memory modules backed by unconditional lifetime replacement warranty. The ProLiant Compute DL360 Gen12 server is a high-performance enterprise-level server. It has 32 slots, a maximum memory capacity of 8 terabytes when configured with high-performance NEMIX RAM server memory upgrades. The ProLiant Compute DL360 Gen12 server accepts NEMIX RAM DDR5 6400 ECC RDIMM built specifically for HPE applications. Available upgrades include configurations of 32GB, 64GB, 96GB, 128GB, and 256GB modules. Maximum memory of 8 terabytes can only be achieved using NEMIX RAM 256GB memory modules. NEMIX RAM is a global leader in server memory upgrades for over 30 years, catering to Fortune 500, government, private businesses, and scholastic organizations. We are your IT infrastructure solutions partner, specializing in manufacturer-direct HPE memory upgrades. For more technical information or to place an order, call us at 800-662-7466 or follow the link below to place an order.